Hey everyone, welcome back to Hot Wheels Tracks and Rides, and today we're checking out a true luxury performance legend turned diecast, the 1989 Mercedes-Benz 560 SEC AMG, a classy German coupe with serious muscle. But the big question is, can this premium-inspired cruiser handle the track? Let's find out, starting with unboxing it, checking out the details, and find out everything you need to know. Let's jump right in, but before we begin, let's take a closer look with the card art first. The card art shows this deep metallic blue AMG coupe in a slightly aggressive stance, low, wide, and elegant at the same time. That's exactly what AMG was all about in the late 80s, taking luxury and turning it into performance. And apart from that, you've got this blue Hot Wheels background with the iconic Hot Wheels flame logo at the top. And on the sides, this car is part of Wild Wide Body series, which is 2 out of 5 in that series. The mainline number is 186 out of 250, and this car does not have a frame stamp. Plus, this packaging also does not have a treasure hunt or super treasure hunt icon. Alright, enough said, let's get it open. And here it is out of the package. Wow, this thing looks premium. The color is in deep metallic navy blue, almost midnight blue, with a glossy finish that really pops under the light. Now, let's talk about the design breakdown. It has long, low coupe body, equals classic Grand Tour proportions. Up to AMG styling, equals clean but aggressive. Black 5-spoke wheels, equals sporty but underrated. Chrome grille with the Mercedes star, equals signature luxury touch, and slightly flared body equals gives to that AMG muscle stance. Unlike wild fantasy cars, this one is all about realism. It's based on a real AMG tuned luxury coupe from the late 80s, basically one of the earliest super coupes. And quick fun fact, back in the 1989, AMG wasn't even fully part of Mercedes-Benz yet until 2010, because it's only a brand for tuning cars. However, they were more like a high-performance tuning company. Cars like the 560 SSC AMG were hand-modified, making them powerful and very exclusive. But yeah, this Hot Wheels version is actually a mini tribute to one of the OG luxury performance icons. Now for the features breakdown, it has diecast metal body, plastic base with black color for smoother rolling, low ride height equals great for realism, narrow profile equals ideal for track alignment, and lightweight compared to premiums equals better speed potential. This combination usually means one thing: it might actually perform well on track. Alright, time for the real test. How does this Mercedes-Benz AMG perform well on a Hot Wheels track? Let's find out and see for ourselves. Okay, let's count down with me. 3, 2, 1. That car did make it through the loop, but unfortunately, it didn't even make it through the corners, so what a pity. Okay, Since this Mercedes-Benz AMG has failed to make it through the corners out there, here are the track performance results to this one anyway. Test 1, straight track run. It has smooth launch, stable run, and good speed thanks to its lightweight build. So nice, that was clean and fast. Test 2, loop test. It maintains momentum and it has just enough weight balance to complete the loop. So it makes it not the fastest, but consistent. And test 3, stability test. It has slight body roll, but it stays planted, so it's very controlled, just like a real luxury coupe would be. In fact, this 1989 Mercedes-Benz 560 SEC AMG performs well on straight tracks, loops, and even boosters and launches. Now, time to wrap it up with my final thoughts. As for the pros, realistic and iconic car design, beautiful metallic paint finish, smooth rolling wheels, good track compatibility, and strong collectibility. Great for collectors. And for the cons, not the fastest on track, it lacks extra detailing like headlights and taillights, more about style than extreme performance, and they have no big parts because this car's a mainline standard only. And now, time to finish it up with my final rating. The design is 9 out of 10, detailing 8 out of 10, track performance 7.5 out of 10, and collectability 9 out of 10, which means the overall rating of this car is 8.5 out of 10 stars, and this one is also officially track approved. So there you have it, the 1989 Mercedes-Benz 560 SEC AMG, a classy German cruiser that brings luxury to the track. It may not be the fastest, but it's smooth, stylish, and definitely one for collectors who want to collect this Mercedes-Benz AMG car. Now, thanks for watching. What do you think? Should luxury cars like this one belong on Hot Wheels tracks or stick to display only? Drop your comments below if you can decide. And also don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more hot-tastic Hot Wheels videos. As always, this is Hot Wheels Tracks and Rides. Keep racing, keep collecting, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.